Dude, stacking up that crypto felt unreal, like I somehow slipped past the usual rules and found a shortcut. Not even kidding, it felt legendary. Like I was in on some backdoor trick or something. Want to know exactly how I did it? Keep watching, because I'm going to walk you through every single step. I threw cash at a bunch of meme coins that just straight up vanished overnight. Like 1 minute they were hot, next minute gone, wasted time, lost tokens, whole thing was a mess. But then I locked into a strategy, started grinding on it every single day, and everything shifted big time. Now I'm pulling in 3 times what I used to. The key? Just showing up consistently, no skipping. I'm going to break it down for you step by step. Hang tight, I'm dropping the full strategy in a moment. But first things first, we need to cover the fundamentals, no skipping ahead. If you're thinking of using pump.fun, you got to realize it's got quite a few flaws. That's our starting point before we go forward with anything else. Boot up Photon and slap on that pump.fun filter. You'll notice new meme tokens launching constantly, like every few seconds. The catch? Most of them tank almost instantly after going live. It's mainly because pump.fun makes it super easy to create tokens, which leads to a flood of low-effort coins no one really cares about. Alright, now dive into Raydium's filter and see how the engine's really running. Tokens pop up at a chill pace, about 1 per minute. And that's not random, it's part of the setup. Keeps the whole system steady. Liquidity's secure, market cap's looking great, and the volume's moving up fast. The real magic? They only approve devs doing legit work. That's what gives this approach its strength. Don't bounce. I'm going to show you everything step by step. It seriously feels like an exploit. Launch Tool took all the complexity out of token creation. You don't have to be a coder. For real, your grandma could set it up. Just 3 quick taps on Raydium and you're live. I've been using this method on repeat and the income, way better than I expected. Okay, let's get started with Canva for our logo project. You can create a logo based on anything, whether it's a hot trend or something more personal. I've just gone back to the Pilgrim comics, and I'm loving the Netflix series as well. So I'm thinking of making my coin around that. That's the direction I'm heading in. Now that Canva is active and your logo is in the workspace, check that it's the perfect size of 128 by 128 pixels. If anything doesn't look right, give it a quick polish. When you're ready, just save the result, and that's it. The entire logo creation process is complete. Okay, let's get started. Head back to Launch Tool and connect your Phantom wallet. Just like I'm showing you here, no worries. When it asks for the name and symbol, type in Scott Pilgrim Coin for the name and SPC for the symbol, exactly as shown. The description? That's up to you. I'm skipping it for now, keeping it simple. Next, upload your logo from Canva and hit Next to keep moving with the setup. Keep the decimals and coin values as they are. No need to touch them seriously. Once everything looks good, press Next, and let's move on. Verification's gonna set you back 0.1 Solana. Whether it's worth it is your call, no doubt. As for me, I'm holding my coins tight. I'm not dropping a single Solana on this. Hit that skip button and let's move on. Adding your social media might help give your project a little extra visibility, but it's totally optional. Raydium handles all the linking on the back end. Just hit the skip button and let's keep pushing forward. Hold up and pay attention. Don't touch these protection settings. Yeah, turning them off might keep 0.3 Solana in your wallet, but you'll lose way more in the long run when investors avoid you for looking suspicious. Serious investors want mint and freeze locked. If it's not, it looks shady. So, the best move? Keep those toggles on and hit Launch My Token now, with full confidence in what you've built. Alright, hold tight for a moment. Now, go ahead and complete that transaction in your wallet. 1 quick press is all it takes. Wait for a few seconds as it processes, and then you're good to go. Your token is live and ready for trading. Take a peek at the Solskins link and you'll see it's all good. Your token's officially out there on Solana, no problems in sight. No alerts, no shady stuff, just solid on-chain proof. Yo crew, it's go time. Let's get this token moving. Jump back into Launch Tool and smash that Create Liquidity Pool button. It'll shoot you straight to Raydium where we'll get the liquidity pool squared away and start aiming for those big-time gains. Time to get your MemeCoin some shine. Head over to launchtool.io, copy that contract address, and paste it into Raydium. For the details, drop in SPC as your symbol and Scott Pilgrim Coin as the full name. Then click Add User Token to lock it in. Next up, liquidity. If you've got 1 billion tokens, toss 900 million into the pool. And don't forget to pair it with Solana. That's the main chain we're working with here. Start by selecting the max option for your Solana, then backtrack and reduce it by 0.2 Solana. That's your safety net for covering transaction costs. Go with a 2% fee. It keeps things attractive for investors without pushing them away. We made it to the final stretch. Now click on Initialize Liquidity Pool. Your Phantom wallet should prompt you right after. Don't stress, it's just asking for permission. Hit approve, and just like magic, your token is live and tradable. Alright, go ahead and fire up Photon now. Make sure the filter's set to Raydium and keep an eye on the screen. Your new MemeCoin should show up real quick and stand out. Once it appears, that's your sign it's live and fully ready to start trading on the market. Next step, go to Launch Tool again and copy the address for your coin. After that, open up Deck Screener, search for any coin that's currently listed, and either swap out the address in the link with yours or just look up your token by name. Just like that, your chart will load up, crystal clear, and easy to review. When you're in this early, every little move looks like a solid payday. It seriously feels like the market's working in your favor. Jumping in before the crowd usually means you're dodging losses altogether, so chill out and let your bag climb to the stars. Scan the charts real quick. There's a little early action happening. Most of that quick movement? It's just bots bouncing around, completely expected. Things really start heating up once a whale makes a serious buy. Until then, no stress. This is standard behavior for brand new coins. Okay guys, it's been 9 minutes since we created the coin's liquidity, and we've received a $53 purchase, in addition to other purchases with smaller but important amounts. This is a good sign. The liquidity and market cap look good, so let's keep waiting. Okay guys, we're 15 minutes into the process, and there have been 2 good buys at $54 and $74. There have been some coin sales, but it's all part of the process. The chart looks pretty good, and so does the liquidity and market cap. Let's just wait a little longer. 18 minutes have passed since the coin was made, and we've got a large purchase of $165. That's the big buy we needed. As you can see, the liquidity and market cap look good, but for now, it's time to dip. Now that we've done the heavy lifting, we've achieved what we were looking for. The last piece of the puzzle? Getting your liquidity to your wallet smoothly. Hang on, I'll show you exactly how it's done. Okay, initial item. Hook up your creator wallet to Raydium. Uncomplicated procedure. Now tap on portfolio and bounce into that area. Pick the standard option, and your coins ought to be observable without postponement. If they ain't present instantaneously, absolutely zero reason to stress. Permit approximately 10 to 15 minutes, specifically if the liquidity was only just formulated. Once it's visible, smash the minuscule minus button to pull 100%. Choose Solana for the currency, endorse the transaction, and just like that, you are prepared to move forward. You'll notice it now. The confirmation popped up, letting you know your liquidity's officially back where it belongs. Head to your wallet and check out the final amount sitting there. As you can see, everything's wrapped up. This method is seriously pulling in some solid profits. With how things are shaping up in the market right now, it's honestly the perfect moment to jump in if you've been thinking about it. And the coolest thing? You can rinse and repeat this process as many times as you want. Momentum's building. This method is really starting to take off. The timing couldn't be better, and if you stay locked in, there's real potential to make something big out of it. Just to keep things clear, I'm not sponsored by Launch Tool, Photon, or Raydium. I'm just sharing what I know. If you want to dive deeper, check out the description or the pinned comment below.